Hi everybody. Today I would like to discuss how can we, as Chinese medicine practitioner, supports ovulation. So first, before we think about Chinese medicine, we need to understand if we know how can we help this couple get pregnant around ovulation time. So when ovulation occurs, ovulation usually will occur about 12 to 14 days before the average cycle days. I'm telling you that in order you to teach your patients that ovulation does not have to be on day 14 of their cycle, but it will be around 14 days before the average of their period. So in a 28 days of cycle, it will be around day 14. But if the cycle is around 30 days, it will be around day 16. And I say around 14 days, but sometimes it will be 12 days before, or maybe 15 days before. So the couple will need to try to conceive around a week that covers this average days. And now, how can we think about ovulation in Chinese medicine's eye? So, what is ovulation? Ovulation is the egg that is ovulating from the ovary itself. Ovulation time from a 5-phase concept is the summer aspect. The summer aspect is the flourishing time of this year. All the flowers are open. It is the maximum yin aspect of the beauty of the herb, or in the body, it is the maximum beauty of our cycle. It is the maximum yin. It is the jing aspect. It is like looking at a flower. In its beginning, it is closed, and gradually spring comes and it opens and grows. And on summer times, it is as beauty as it can be. It is the extreme yin beauty of its life. So the egg is gradually maturing, and during ovulation, it gets to its maximum beauty in order to ovulate. So when we think about ovulation time, first we need to think about the maximum yin and blood aspect of our body to nourish this egg. And also we will need to think about the movement of this egg getting out of this ovary, waiting for the sperm. So the movement is all about the qi and yang aspect of our kidneys, of this Mingmen. So when we think about how can we support a woman in this stage of her period, we need to think about the maximum yin and blood and the support of the qi and yang. One of the major aspects is the Chong Mai. The Chong Mai can support and nourish this blood and move it where? Within this lower jiao, within this uterus. Why? Because the original starting place of the Chong Mai is between the kidneys area. Okay, this is where it originates, the Chong Mai. So the Chong Mai originates from the lower jiao and can nourish this place and move blood within this area. So Chong Mai can support ovulation. I can use it about few days before and on this timing of ovulation. So Chong Mai is one of my options in order to support ovulation. Usually I add to Chong Mai some other points. If the lady has a blood deficiency, I will choose spleen 6, and also I can add spleen 10 for that. So I'm working on the blood, I'm working on the nourishing and movement of blood within the lower GI. If the woman has, let's say, a heat sign, a liver chi stagnation, and heat inside of her liver organ aspect, so I can open the Chong Mai and I can use liver 3 and liver 2 on the other side of the leg, and Lingu on the right side. So I open the Chong Mai, spleen 4 on the right leg, pericardium 6 on the left, with liver 2 and 3 on the left leg and Lingu on the right hand. So this way we can use these points in order to support blood, but also to move and clear heat from the body. Hope it was useful and continue to do the good job that you do.